Alright, Merry Christmas guys. We're going to do one more giveaway here for my 10 years on YouTube. This is going to be the giveaway of all giveaways. You will most likely be able to start a small little shop with all this stuff I'm giving away. I could sing it in the 12 days of Christmas, but going to save you the boredom. One Big D t-shirt. We got a Telly thin line template. Some red Padauk Telly tops. I think this is about 50 feet of pushback wire. This is the American made pushback wire. I bought 1,000 feet of it. My multi-color Telly, I think I did 9 or 10 different Angelus leather stain videos. I sanded off a decent amount of this top. It's now flat. You can do whatever you want. My only caution is that the control plate is a little bit thin, but if you just pop a neck on, you should be good to go. This is a PV basswood Telly. I ripped out all the components for a guy and put them in another body. I've been sitting on this for about 5 years and I'm not going to use it. I've got a rotary rasp. A brand new Hitachi router! Whoa! I bought this router a while ago. I just never used it. I've got Craftsman and Porter cable routers, so this is essentially brand new. I think I've used it a couple times. It's got a plunge base and a fixed base, and this is the quietest router on the market. Just haven't used it. So I've got all the components to this. I've got an extra nut and the wrenches, so we'll get this out to you. Brand new tool. Flame maple billet. This is plastic inlay material. It's like a 16 thick, multicolor. Got 2 fretboard blanks. This is tulip wood. This is flame maple. Got a set of import humbuckers. Black. Some green wire for grounding. Some tuners, 2 black, 2 silver. I've got a pick guard. A terrible Chinese made neck. A plane. I've got my terrible Chinese Strat project. I've been sitting on this. It moved with me to Nashville. For some idiotic reason, I brought it back. The neck, I think it's dry now. It looks pretty straight. But kit, so if you want to see more about that kit, you can find my video and read all the hate. So this is multiple items you guys will be getting for the 10th video of the 10 years on YouTube. Definitely did not get what I wanted out of this series, but it was fun to do and I got a lot of comments, a lot of interaction with you guys, so I appreciate that greatly. We may be doing some more giveaways here in the future. I think you guys really like that. I got a great core of you out there that are commenting. Sorry I couldn't get everything to everybody. 2 of the giveaways haven't answered me back, which is really a surprise. I don't understand that, so I'll continue to email them. If I don't hear from them in probably 60 days, I'll probably re-give away those items. So thanks for watching, guys. It's been a great 10 years on YouTube. Appreciate all the love and have a Merry Christmas. And we will talk to you most likely in 2019.